In today's video, I would like to refresh your memory on where Federation Layout is. So we are going to Federation Layout. The roundabout we just passed is Ogui Junction. And if you are taking the right side as you are moving, you'll be going to Fire Service, New Heaven, New Layout. Yeah, so but we are going to Federation Layout, so we are taking 82 Division through Ababa Junction, Thinkers Corner, Mega Filling Station, and that is it. So for those of you who are yet to be familiar with Federation Layout, sit back and ensure to watch this video till the end. I started it from Ogui Junction, like I said, and we are going to Federation Layout. We have some properties there in Federation Layout that has C of O, and I wouldn't want you to miss any of my property that has C of O in the city of Enugu State today. Given that if you want to have personal C of O for your property, it's looking almost impossible given the high cost that has been imposed on it recently. However, I have some properties that has global C of O, that is estates that has global C of O, and that makes it a lot easier for you to key into those estates, have a plot 2, 3 depending on your budget and plan, and then save yourself the stress, time and money of processing C of O for your property. Sit back, relax, and ensure to watch the video till the end. This is the road to Federation Layout, Enugu. By the left is NNPC depot, and it's still very much functional. Remember what I always do? I show you the road the way it is. If it is untarred, I show it to you just like this one. If it is tarred and beautiful, I still show it to you. That is because I want you to have an overview of what you are buying, how it looks like. Nevertheless, this road, I can assure you that is going to be tarred as soon as you know it. Yes, so keep watching for you to see the properties, the estates we have in this location. Just keep watching, we are almost there. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that. Subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share my videos. You wouldn't know who you're going to help sharing this video. You wouldn't know that person, your friend, that has been looking for genuine properties in the city of Enugu State to buy. So, but by sharing this video, you've helped that person to get in touch with me. Call or WhatsApp me for any question or questions, anything you would want me to do with respect to real estate investment here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Call me on 0803 743 5005. I am your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Love it, Anike. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.